see this? Look. Look at the bottom. Look at the bottom. Look at the
Yeah,
bottom
it's
of
already.
her.
Yep, it's.
There's nail polish on it. And look. Look over here. There's lipstick. And more lipstick. And nail polish. And nail polish. And more nail polish. I think it looks like she's struggling with her makeup. Yeah,
That's
look at her
why.
face. Look at this. So sad. Yeah. I hope I get the evening. Okay. Wow. Don't break this, okay? Because I'm gonna repeat the words in here. Need a real velvet doll. Yeah, this is really real. This is not okay. Good. Struggling. Wale. Important. Oh, guys. Oh my gosh. There's a little mess. Put that there for
Put
a
it here.
minute. Papa, we need some scissors. Okay, so let's start this. We take off this clothes thingy. No, Keenan. Okay then. Okay, then we take off the shoes. Yeah, I'm gonna take the next shoe. It's stuck in her hair. Look at this. How come? I think she's just going on the walk with her boyfriend. And something just go wrong. Like my hair in the morning. Then, guys, you see this looks like a phone, right?
Yeah, what's that?
And voila. Wait. Wait a minute. Oh no! Like follow the instructions. Wait. Take a before photo.
Oh, we didn't take the before photo
Wait,
yet.
Keenan. Wait. Can you take those accessories off first? And look. Oh wait. Look. Okay. It said take a before photo. I take a photo. Okay. Take a before photo.
1, 2, 3, cheese. Let it stay steady. Okay, and then
Then what does it say?
remove accessories. Done.
Yeah.
And then
And apply the magic mask. Okay, just
wait for how many minutes? Press until it click behind the ears. I think it clicked already, right? Does it?
okay. Yeah.
Behind the
No.
ears already?
No. Okay,
The other one? Check.
already.
Okay, so
Okay. Now we need to brush her
Press
curly hair.
one strand at a time.
Oh my gosh.
One strand at a time. One.
Oh.
You brush everything. Work your way up to the head.
So scrunchy.
The more you brush, the better it will look. Oh, really?
No one has been buying this.
Really?
Yeah. Q-R-X-T. I seen in the shop.
Mm.
So full.
All of it is her character? Or there are other characters?
All in Toy Kingdom is all of her characters.
Oh,
Yeah, but there are more out there.
okay.
This will be better when we use our brush. Oh yes, that looks really ready. Look at mine. Slowly but surely. Slowly but surely. She has a lot of tangle. Like
Be
Rapunzel.
careful. Okay.
Just like Rapunzel. Oh, there's so much of her hair here. Oh, this is the greatest show! Look at my curl. Is it beautiful? Yeah, but we're gonna make even prettier curls with these. 10 hours later.
How it's gonna turn.
I'm gonna open the fair face door. So cute. Ah, you are so cute. Yeah, there's another layer. And then the mask just take one of the layer. Take the blah 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 layer into the beautiful layer. You know what I mean, right? Of course I know. Oh my gosh. Making more clothes. I think no one has bought this for years. I seen it was been in the shop the whole time. No one was buying it. You are buying. Yeah. I see you buy it. Look at their brush now. Oh,
The hair is falling.
yeah. Phone. It's going up. Brush more. Yeah. Pull away from ear. Okay.
Wait.
Whoa! Look at her makeup. And her old skin. Wait, what? She still has her old hair. I'm gonna just brush it off.
No.
Yeah.
I need to zoom the makeup first. What's the difference?
Later you photo it. Later.
Okay.
She still has crazy hair. Duh. She's cute. I know. Look at her face. Look, I can stick my finger in here. This is a hard work, guys, to brush his hair. But the thing is still cute. Oh, Duna's present say, you are the best sister ever. I know that. I always help Feta, and Feta always wait for me. It's still too curly. Take off the skin. Her hair is so guys! What in the heck? Or what else is happening? The hair, it looks like my Barbie doll. Elena. Right? Elena.
Yeah.
Remember Elena?
The hair is also
Messy.
that kind of color, right?
Yeah. You're trying to make the unbeautiful hair on my main face. Okay. We need to take a picture of her. Really? That is not what I expected. And I am really confused. I'm not confused. I'm having fun. Well, look at this face.
Can you put it on your face?
No. It's plastic. It will survive in plastic. Ew! 3 more. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'm done. She's like Goldilocks. Yeah. Huh? You don't like your doll? It's so beautiful, you know? No. Oh, I like it, but I tried my best to, brush it.
Thank you.
Thank you. Until the hair just moved out.
Put it in your hair. How is it? Red,
It's beautiful. Wait,
red
I got
color.
Oh, that's beautiful. You look like your Barbie doll. Oh, no, thank you. The color seems weird. I'm gonna try the next one, okay? Over here. Oh, Kina, over here. Okay. Well, a small amount of hair until it's full. Yeah, until it's full. Kina, I think that's enough. Okay. The shoes is fantastic. I like the details. Can you put them in the shoe? Try to do it. Try to put it on your finger. Okay. No, I mean the shoes. I think I'll take this to school. Show everyone. 5. Wait.
This one of 5 to 10 minutes.
5 to 10 minutes. Okay. We're gonna wait. Oh my gosh.
What's next, Veda?
Complete the look with the accessories. Okay. Get the. Please get me the earring. Where did you just get that? Earring, please. Okay. An earring. Two earrings. She looks real without shoes.
Yeah, I think you can put the shoes, Veda.
Hey, yeah. I'll do it. I do that.
What's that? The necklace? Wow.
It's so small, right? The other shoe. This is like a ghost.
Hopefully it's not flying. She's gonna put the necklace.
And I'm gonna put the hairbands. No! You don't need that. You don't need that. Why it comes with headbands for us?
Is she gonna be able to stand?
Of course. She is.
Or she's just fall asleep because it's already nighttime. You have to sleep because you have school tomorrow.
Guess what, guys? I'll show you my legs. Okay, look.
This is a surprise, Mom.
I just had this all the time in my legs. Perfect. And you'll be like Isabella. Isabella.
You don't have to be perfect. Wow.
Uh,
Can I take a picture now?
the hands need to be a little bit more up. Wait a minute. One, and then two. Wait a minute.
Can I take a picture now?
Huh? Yeah.
You guys ready?
Done, Kenan.